Well, good evening, everybody. I'm back again. Well, you remember how I was telling you in the fail video that I was going to do this again, and this time try to do it right. Here we are. You guys already saw me put together that in the last video, so I didn't think I really needed to go through that again. However, I did add some broken up rocks in there. I wasn't going to, then I decided to go ahead and do so because I already went through the trouble of breaking them up. I was about to change my mind and not add them, but then I thought, couldn't hurt. Let me go ahead and add them. So I've added them, and we're going to see how they go. Wheelbarrow. We're going to use a wheelbarrow to mix up the Quikrete. And this time I'm prepared. This time I know that I should only use so much water. You can see it barely, it's just within the frame. And that's the water that I'm going to use. According to the directions, I should not use more than 2.3 liters. It's expected to need 1.9. So anyway, okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and start mixing the cement, and let's see where we go with it, okay? I had to move my wife's car out of the garage because a lot of dust was flying around, so just trying to be considerate. Back at it. Of course already. That's wonderful. Looks like I have a little hole in my wheelbarrow here. Okay. Let's see. Well, let's hope for the best with this thing. Okay. Rebar. See what we can do here. See how much trouble we can get into. Go. Yeah. There we go. Got it under there. Seem to be losing rocks in the process. All right. Yep. Lost another rock. Might as well get you out too. Big rocks will go. Okay. Well, hey guys. Okay, here we are. This did not turn out the way I was hoping it would, and I know you guys probably can't see me that well. But this is not about me, this is about the cement slab. This is version 2. I'm looking at some of the cement that has fallen off of the sides here. It's breaking apart pretty easily. It does not feel like it's fully dry, but it does feel pretty brittle. I have zero faith that this is going to look as good as it should, let alone hold. But we're going to, well, I don't know, should I? If I touch along the edges here, you can see that it just crumbles ever so easily. I'm under the impression that this is not going to work. Now, I suppose I could have done 2.5 liters of water. I only did 2 liters. I didn't go up to 2.3. I suppose I could have done 2.5 liters to make sure that there was enough water in the mix. And I think you all could see it in the video that this stuff was not the consistency of oatmeal, something that I've learned later on, that it's supposed to be the consistency of oatmeal. Instead, it was the consistency of damp sand. So you know what I'm going to do? Everything on here looks, oh man, it just crumbles so easily. I can just run my hands through there and it crumbles. I don't think this is going to hold. Let me give you a better view of it. All right, you guys are looking at it. Check it out. I can just run my finger through there. It's only been about 24 hours. And I suppose it really wouldn't be dry now anyway, but this is coming apart way too easily. Look at that. I don't think we've done well. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to include you guys in my failure. I don't think I've done well. Look at this over here. See? Man, that doesn't even feel damp. That feels 100% dry. But you know what that means? That means that I just need to try again. That's all that means. I just need to try again, and this time make sure I have enough water in there so that I get the consistency of oatmeal. Yum. Now I suppose I could go ahead and let this dry completely and see if it's where I want it to be, but I really don't like this anyway, so no, I'm not going to use this. This is not what I want to use on my barbecue pit. I want a nice, solid, oh, yeah, look at that. I mean, I can't really, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that, wow, that doesn't really feel damp at all. No worries. I've got my rebar back. I'll just try again. Thank God that Quikrete is inexpensive. Where are you? There you are. Boy, that's okay. You know what else I've noticed? Quikrete has no shortage of little rocks in it. My guess is that I didn't need those broken up pieces of cinder block. My guess is I could have just left it as is. All the rocks would have sunk down to the bottom if I had enough water in there, and everything would have been a-okay. Next time, I guarantee you. Well, next time will be a part of this video. So, next up, how about that? Next up is going to be the successful build, the successful cement slab pour, lay, I don't know, but it will be successful.